Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix queued email on Gmail. So first thing is just simply go ahead and open up the Gmail application into your device. And now just simply select the profile icon in the top right corner. And after that, just simply select manage accounts on this device down below. And now from here, just simply make sure the auto sync data is turned on. And when you open it up and it is turned on, just disable it. But when you open it up and it is disabled, just simply enable it. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another option is just simply go through the settings into your phone. And now here on the settings, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply scroll down again and just simply try to find the Gmail application over here and tap on it and just simply select storage over here and just simply tap clear cache and just simply clear the data, and from here it will reset the Gmail and you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. See ya.